Yiyan Yu from Bioengineering with a talk, How Fake Cells Stop Real Viruses.
Do you still remember how unprepared we were when COVID-19 started? A virus appeared, no vaccine, no treatment, just chaos. How many of us got 2, 3, even 4 shots, but still tested positive? Why? Because our traditional tools are designed for specific viruses. It took nearly a year to get the first COVID vaccine, and then the virus mutated. Every time, we are chasing the virus and falling behind. Can we break this cycle? What if we have something ready to use, something that works across many viruses even as they mutate? To answer this question, we need to understand how viruses infect us. If a virus sees me today wearing this UCSD jacket, it will think I'm a UCSD student without checking who's inside. Cells are the same. They wear a cell jacket, the cell membrane, that tells everyone who they are. Viruses look for the cell jacket, bind to it, and that's how infection starts. They don't check what's inside, they just bind to the surface. So, here's the idea. What if we take the cell membrane and put it on something fake? We build tiny nanoparticles and coat them with cell membranes to mimic the real cells. When viruses see these fake cells, they bind to them and get trapped. So, what makes this approach different? Instead of targeting the virus, we let it attack the wrong target. This makes it broad spectrum because many viruses and variants, they bind to the same fake cell surface. It's also ready to use. We can make them in advance, store them, and then use it as soon as the new virus appears. We tested out fake cells in the cell studies across COVID strains, including Alpha, Delta, and Omicron, and it blocked over 80% of infectivity. In animal studies, our fake cells lower the virus levels by 100-fold in the lungs. With the fake cells, when the next virus appears, we're no longer unprepared and no longer chasing the virus. This is how fake cells stop real viruses, by mimicking the real cells and trapping the viruses. Broad spectrum and ready to use. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
and
I'm so nervous.
You're even, what?
I'm so nervous.
You're so nervous?
Yeah, I'm
All
super
right,
nervous.
let's turn around and just do a deep breath. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, great. So I understand that you've been involved in some different, we'll talk about something different, that you've been involved in some different mentoring initiatives on campus. Can
Yes.
you talk a little bit about that?
So I'm the student representative of bioengineering for the mentoring project, which is the initiative at GEPA. And it's my pleasure to take on this role that to help with the project. So the goal of the project is to help improve the ecosystem environment for the mentorship between faculty, students, faculty, and postdocs. So I started a lot of mentoring initiatives and tried to communicate and connect both parties and see how we can make some chemical reactions. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So what have you found to be most critical in having a good mentorship relationship on the part of the mentor and the mentee?
I think for both parties, it's very important that we communicate. Mm. So most of the mismatching comes from the lack of communications between mentors and mentees. Mm-hmm. People are having just different expectations. People are thinking differently, and they know each other. They don't know each other's thoughts. Mm. And so after during a lot of these initiatives, when we foster a lot of communication between both parties, we figure out, we have a lot of misunderstandings here. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And then hopefully like these initiatives help resolve some of like these things. And in the future, I was also like trying to see to initiate more events and activities like workshops, faculty student mixers, which we have held before, to improve more for this.
That's excellent. Thank you. Can you share more about somebody who has impacted your life in a positive way?
I would say it would be my advisor.
Okay. Well, that's great to hear.
He's not here today. Yeah.
Even when he's not in the room. Wow. Okay.
Yeah. So he's a very, very driven and rigorous researcher. Like you can tell that he's so serious and enthusiastic about research, about science and engineering. He really wanted to solve the problem. And he inspires me in like all these ways that made me feel like it's very important and impactful to be a researcher to solve the problems we're facing. Yeah, he's also very supportive and also doing a very great job in mentorship that I learned a lot from him, and he gave me the space and resources for me to explore the ideas I wanted to like learn about. Yeah.
That's excellent. So outside of this, what do you do to recharge or on your own time?
So first, we don't have a lot of time to recharge. Secondly, if I do want to recharge, I would definitely visit somewhere in San Diego for the sunsets.
Yes.
Yeah, they're just so beautiful. And every time they're so different.
Yes.
And after watching all those sunsets, I feel so calm and healed. Yeah.
And it just takes a few moments, right? A few moments away.
Yeah, a few moments away. Let's say if you're going to La Jolla Shore, and now it's like sunset time, half an hour, and then I was like, okay, let's go.
Yeah.
And then you get it.
Perfect. So what would your research superpower request be?
Yes, so if I can have a superpower for research, I wish I can communicate with my cells and viruses. Yeah, especially with my viruses. I wanted to ask them, what are the things they are most scared of? Not in a direct way, I don't think they will tell me. Yeah, but like through communications with them, trying to like ask them, hey, what are the things you're most scared of? Let me know about it so that I can
I appreciate the empathy with the virus. I expected you to say, why are you so mean? Get out of here. But you're like, how can I help you with your fears? Virus? That's very
No,
impressive.
I'm trying to trick them to tell me like how I can treat them.
Okay. That's a superpower on your part, I think.
Yeah, from the human being's perspective, we really want to like treat viral diseases. We don't want to have another COVID again.
Yeah.
We don't want to get infected by viruses. So that's why I'm thinking maybe I can talk to the virus and see where I can figure out a way to treat it.
Okay, so just checking, because in your slides, the cells we're wearing, they're like fake hoodies, but you are a UCSD student, correct?
Yes,
okay,
I am.
Perfect. Just confirming. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you
I am. I'm not
so
a fake
much.
one. Yeah. Thank you.